Here is how to boost FPS in Apex Legends. There are a couple of ways on how to do it, but let's cover the main ways on how to boost your FPS. First things first, you have to go to your game menu, click on Settings, and click on Video. Once you're on video, scroll down to the Advanced, and here we have to change a couple of things. But before we do that, people may ask, is VSync important? VSync caps the FPS of the game if the FPS goes above your monitor refresh rate. This feature is useful for single-player games as it reduces screen tearing when turning. But for competitive games like Apex Legends, it's best if this is turned off. Okay, now let's start boosting our FPS. First setting we have to change is anti-aliasing. Anti-aliasing increases the quality of the game with the cost of performance. Turn this off if you are struggling with FPS. Next is your texture streaming budget. This will depend on what kind of GPU you have. If you have a GPU like a 1050 Ti that has a 4GB of VRAM, it's important that you match the texture streaming budget to your GPU VRAM, or turn it down a little more. Next is texture filtering. This will make the surface of the game sharper but will increase GPU load. Turning this down will boost FPS significantly. Also turn down ambient occlusion quality since this also affects FPS. For these next three options, these are about shadows. If you have played a lot of video games, you know that shadows reduces FPS. Turn this all down to boost FPS even more. Disable volumetric lighting and dynamic spot shadows since these increase GPU load due to rendering sun rays and dynamic shadows, which decreases FPS. Model detail, map detail, and impact mark have a low GPU load, so experiment what works best for you. For effect details, it's important to turn this down as well since effects like grenade explosions or Bangalore smokes decreases FPS. If you have followed these steps, your FPS should be boosted significantly. And that is how you boost FPS in Apex Legends.